I've been ignoring this big lump in my throat. I shouldn't be crying cause tears are for the weaker days. I'm stronger now, or so I say, but something's missing. Whatever it is, it feels like it's laughing at me through the glass of a two-sided mirror. Whatever it is laughing at me. And I just wanna scream, what now? I just can't figure it out. What now? I guess I'll just wait it out, wait it out. What now? Somebody tell me, what now? There's no one to call cause I've been playing games with them all. The more that I swim happy, the more that I'm feeling alone. Cause I spend every hour just going through the motion and I just can't figure it out.
Yes. You are back. Okay? I could even see your body language. It was saying, I am here.
I absolutely loved your performance. I absolutely loved your singing.
One of the performances where somebody feel the song, connect with the song, and give us or interpret the song the way it should be done.